Hey guys, it's Amanda, and today I'm going to be filming a very exciting video. I know people really like to watch these on YouTube, so I'm going to be filming a dorm tour today. So I live in a suite actually. So there's 2 doubles and there's 2 bathrooms for each room basically. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you my sophomore year dorm here at NYU. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. There's like a bar here, and then we have some stools this all came with the dorm. But if you look to your left, right here is the bathroom for me and my roommate. Yeah, nothing too exciting. I feel like it's nicer than my bathroom last year. Love a good backsplash. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. And then you'll come over here. That's where we keep our garbage and recycling things. And then over here is the actual kitchen. So our kitchen is very small. There is like 1 square inch of counter space, but we have an oven, sink, microwave and all that stuff, and like a fridge. So yeah, it's pretty small, but it gets the job done. And then in here is my room, yay. So I'll start off on this side. This is my roommate's side. She's very neat and organized and has a really cute aesthetic. So yeah, love that. So yeah, this is my roommate Sophia's side. It's honestly so freaking cute. I'm not gonna go like too in detail because it's like her stuff, but yeah, that's all of her side. Oh, also we have a vent gap, which is that hole right there, and that, I don't know what the point of it is, but our room has it, so yeah. Okay, and then right here, we just have like a full-length mirror. We just put it here because it's a nice central location. And over here is getting to my side, so I just have like a mirror there. And I really like to put my mirror like in front of the window so I can like do makeup and skincare and stuff there and have like the natural lighting. And it also turns on. I got this from Amazon. And then over here I just have a bunch of like products, a lot of like everyday makeup, skincare, hair stuff, and the like. And I have more makeup in this container. And then over here I have my clothing rack. So I actually got this because surprisingly, I just have a lot of clothes, I guess. So I have a lot of outerwear type things, and I just simply couldn't fit it all in my closet. So I thought a clothing rack would be perfect, and it fits like perfectly right in that like little crevice there. So I got this rack from Amazon. It's honestly like not amazing quality or anything, but it gets the job done. It hangs the clothes, so yeah. And then I also added these like fake little vine things that I got from Amazon, which you'll see more throughout the room. And yeah, I just have a bunch of like sweaters and outerwear on here. Unfortunately, it's still like so hot. Like I can barely wear any of this stuff right now. And I have some like hats and scarves on the end. And then over here is my bed area. So first I have like some pictures. I honestly do not have that many pictures. I kind of want to print out like more from my camera roll. I have this little whiteboard to live life, breathe air. And then as you can see, I have like the vines. I have a lot of my same posters from last year. I have a Vampire Weekend poster. That poster I actually got when I was in Jamaica. This is last year. It's like that vintage style poster, another Vampire Weekend. And yeah, I'm gonna try to like fill this up more, but I kind of, for the rest of them, I've been using like little postcard things. So yeah, I like this. And then I also have the lights on here, so. Okay, these are not turning on, that was anticlimactic. Yeah, so I also just turned on the lights. I got these lights from Amazon as well. They're really cute to have on when it's dark and they kind of provide a decent reading light, so yeah. And then this is like my whole bed situation. The pillows are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I had them last year as well, and the sheet, or not the sheet, the comforter is from Urban Outfitters. I had it last year, but it's reversible, so I used a different side last year, so this year we're using this side. And then if you come over here, you can see my desk. So I'll get a little closer. I just have this bag up there. I love this bag. I actually thrifted it, and then I have some books and notebooks here. I just have like a lot of random like jewelry. I have this snow I don't know, I couldn't say that. I have this snow globe that I got when I was in Austin, Texas, and ever since purchasing this, I decided that I want to start a snow globe collection. I only have one, but I want to start a snow globe collection. Yeah, just more like random trinkets and some glasses over here. And then I have like some notebooks and books over here and my laptop and some pens, some coins, and a jewelry stand. Yeah, so that's like basically my desk. I mean, honestly, in here it's not that exciting. I just have like a bunch of random stuff. Socks in here and more random stuff. So yeah, that's the desk area. And then also over here we both have a dresser each, so I just like keep some clothes in there, of course. And then over here we have the closet. It's actually really quite big, which is really nice. It only came with like one rack though, so my roommate actually got another rod and put it in there and it fit perfectly, so that was nice. But yeah, we have a little walk-in closet. I mean, it's honestly really nice to have this much closet space. So yeah, this is just an overview of the whole room. So yeah, that is basically my room tour. Pretty simple, to the point, but yeah, I honestly love this room. It lets in so much light. The ceilings are so high. It's great. I really like living here. So yeah, that is my room tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and definitely let me know if you want to see any more, or just tell me what types of videos you guys want to see, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!